Welcome to Yoke's YouTube channel. Once again, this is Liz Matthew. I'm the regulated Canadian immigration consultant, and nice to have you all to tune in to our channel. It's been good that you are tuning in to this information, and today we will be looking at the recent ONIP update that came out as of June 12th, 2025, regarding the employer portal details. A lot of you might have questions on that, like how does that work? What about the expression of interest that I've already created? Is that going to affect me? Well, let's dive deep into it and look at what if this changes will even affect you. So basically, what this new portal that ONIP will be creating is the ONIP employer portal. That's what it will be called as, and it will be introduced as of July 2nd, 2025. So this portal is for employers, as the name suggests. And so the employers, how the employers were contributing to the ONIP employer job offer streams is they had to provide an ONIP employer form. So earlier, how it was a paper-based application where the employer had to complete their employer details, where they had to be at least 3 years existing business in Ontario, and also apart from that, they needed to have three full-time PR or Canadians if they were outside GTA, and inside GTA at least five full-time PR or Canadian citizens. And also they had to meet their revenue category, revenue requirements, which is 500,000 for outside GTA employers, and also Canadian dollars of minimum 1 million revenue needed to be there for employers who were inside GTA. So that was the requirement that the employer for the ONIP stream had to meet. However, they had to fill in the ONIP employer form, which was crucial for any applicant who was submitting their ONIP invitation documents. They had to submit their ONIP employer form along with it. And most of the employers, some of them, they were hesitant to give that ONIP employer form to the applicant, which means the employee who is working with them in the company. They were hesitant to give that. So this ONIP employer portal, which is going to be introduced, definitely will be an added asset. So the employers can submit documents to the ONIP directly without. So it's a more of a building trust. Seemfully, it should be more of a user-friendly platform where and secure at the same time. So employers would have more trust and confidence in submitting their helping out an employee. And also, the key features of this employer portal, as suggested by ONIP, is that it would be a seamless integration with My Ontario for one window of service delivery and online submission and management of applications. So basically, their management system would be, they would be able to track things more easily. So the employer is involved, the applicant is involved, and hopefully they are able to track down fraud as well along with this. And direct communication between the employers and the program. And secure document uploads, auto population of application fields to reduce duplications. So you don't have to type up things, it would be auto populated. And then ability to add employer contacts and authorize representatives, and simplified tracking of applications. Basically, ONIP is making things more digital, because right now there is a lot of paper that is involved in the ONIP process. So this will help to reduce paper-based application and then make it all completely digital, and the employer is getting involved as well. And in terms of the expression of interest that have already been created in the ONIP portal, in the current ONIP portal, there is changes to be made by ONIP for that as well. Re-registrations will have to be done for the expression of interest that are have already been submitted in the ONIP portal. So how it works, they have given dates and deadlines of how things will work out, how they're going to transition to the new phase. So June 20th to July 2nd, 2025, what ONIP said is that registrants will be unable to create new expression of interest for the employer job offer stream. So as of June 20th to July 2nd, no new expression of interest will be able to be created on the ONIP portal. So if you are thinking of creating your ONIP expression of interest, I'd say hold on and wait until this whole transition has happened, because we're already on June 13th and July 2nd, as they have introduced, they will have the employer portal, and definitely all the expression of interest that have already been submitted in there would be whoever didn't receive invitations would be withdrawn. That's what they have said, which is as of June 21st and 22nd, existing expression of interest under the employer job offer streams will be automatically withdrawn. So as of June 20th, basically all your expression of interest that are in there will be withdrawn. And from June 27th, after closing of business, to June 29th, 2025, the system will be unavailable for all ONIP streams. Individuals will be unable to access current applications, submit applications, or register expression of interest. So from June 27 to 29, you will not be able to use the system at all. And following which, on July 2nd, the new ONIP employer portal will be introduced for registration. So basically, once the employer portal is up, employers, they will be able to register and provide employment position information, which will enable applicants to re-register their expression of interest. So once your employer uploads the ONIP employer form to the employer portal, works on it, you will be able to re-register your expression of interest if you have already created it. And the new expression of interest will be eligible for further program draws and will be valid for 12 months. So that is something that is the same, where each expression of interest is valid for 12 months, which is 1 year. And if you are looking for further draws and looking for an invitation, you got to re-register your expression of interest as of July 2nd, 2025, the ONIP expression of interest. That's something to be really noted for. So if you have already created your ONIP expression of interest, it will not be valid as of July 2nd, 2025. So make sure you do mark that in your calendar, and we are always here to help you out. And this will affect all the employer job offer streams, the ONIP job offer streams, all the three of them, the international student stream, in-demand stream, and the employer foreign worker stream. So those three will be affected in the ONIP new updates. I know it is a lot of information, so we are always here to help you out, whatever be your query. And please leave your comments in the comment section so we can answer your questions. And thank you for tuning in.